12 effective tips to lose belly fat and simple exercises you can do at home. Belly fat can be a risk factor, especially when you have underlying health condition. Here are 12 tips to help you lose weight and belly fat. Tip number 1. Eat plenty soluble fiber. Soluble fiber may help you to lose weight by increasing fullness and reducing calorie absorption. Try to include plenty of high fiber food in your weight loss diet. Tip number 2. Avoid food that contains trans fat. Some studies have linked a high intake of trans fat to increase belly fat gain. Regardless of whether you are trying to lose weight, limiting your intake of trans fat is a good idea. Tip number 3. Don't drink too much alcohol. Excessive alcohol intake has been associated with increased belly fat. If you need to reduce your waistline, consider drinking alcohol in moderation or abstaining completely. Tip number 4. Eat a high protein diet. High protein foods such as fish, lean meat and beans are ideal if you're trying to shed some extra pound around your waist. Tip number 5. Reduce your stress level. Stress may promote fat gain around your waist. Minimizing stress should be one of your priorities if you're trying to lose weight. Tip number 6. Don't eat a lot of sugary food. Excessive sugar intake is a major cause of weight gain in many people. Limit your intake of candy and processed food high in added sugar. Tip number 7. Cut back on carbs, especially refined carbs. High intake of refined carb is associated with excessive belly fat. Consider reducing your carb intake or replacing refined carb in your diet with healthy carb sources such as whole grain, legume or vegetable. Tip number 8. Replace some of your cooking fat with coconut oil. Studies suggest that using coconut oil instead of other cooking oil may help reduce abdominal fat. Tip number 9. Get plenty of restful sleep. Sleep deprivation is linked to an increased risk of weight gain. Getting enough high-quality sleep should be one of your main priorities if you plan to lose weight and improve your health. Tip number 10. Eat probiotic food or take a probiotic supplement. Taking probiotic supplement may help promote a healthy digestive system. Study also suggests that beneficial gut bacteria may help promote weight loss. Tip number 11. Drink green tea. Regularly drinking green tea has been linked to weight loss. Though it's probably not as effective on its own, it is best combined with exercises. Tip number 12. Change your lifestyle and combine different methods. Losing weight and keeping it off is difficult unless you permanently change your dietary habit and lifestyle. Here are some simple exercises you can do at home.
This time we'll have to join forces. This time we will win. This time we'll have to join forces.